Today we are going to look at adding links to your web page. Now, what would your web page be without links? Well, it wouldn't be much. Navigation is a key consideration into designing your website. And so we will begin with adding links to your web page. Now, there are two ways to add links. First is to link to an outside web page, and second is to link to a section within your web page. In this video, we are going to cover linking to an outside URL. Now, links are added with the anchor element, and within the anchor element is an attribute called href, and that tells the anchor element where the destination is for the link. And the destination can be, like I said, it can be a web page on the same site, or it can link to an outside website. And as I said, we will link to an outside URL in this video. Okay, so now, within the opening A tag, now we're going to create the href attribute. We're going to hit equals, and then you're going to put in quotes, and here is where we're going to put in our outside URL that we want to link to in our web page. And in this case, I am just going to link to my YouTube channel page. So we'll go ahead and just copy and paste that in here, and we have to create a end quote. Now, we can add some text before we make the closing anchor tag, and that text will become the link. So this does not actually get displayed. What will be displayed as a link is the text that we put in here. So we will say EJ Media channel page. And actually, I think I made a mistake here. We need to actually keep this tag open. So this actually has to stay open. We do not use an angle bracket here, because this is all part of the link. So again, if you put that angle bracket in, get rid of it, and now this should work. Let's go ahead and save this, and let's actually do something different here. Let's actually open this up within Google Chrome, and you can see we've got our link now, and if we click on that, it should go to my YouTube channel page. And it did. Now, if we pull up the source here, you can see that there is the text again where we said, please click on this link. That is not actually part of the link because it comes before the A element, the anchor element. And there you can see the text that we created for our link, and that is part of the link because we put that between the closing angle bracket and the closing anchor tag. So that becomes part of the link, and obviously that's a little bit easier to read than the actual URL. And obviously you guys have seen that many times when you've been out on the web.